Introduction of self-service laundry system. This service essentially ran around the clock, and customers could wash their clothing whenever they wanted and finish with clean, dry colors, and right away thanks to a coin-operated machine. So the problem in a university context, where students have a busy daily schedule and a little time for washing. The functions. Laundry business functioning includes a significant amount of information gathering, management, and rapid retrieval. So, our aim is automate laundry company management, making it more effective and error-free. So the problem statement are the current usage and the system causing many problems or discomfort for the students and the owner in management. Takes too long for the students to wait for the availability of the machines. Students also face difficulties in using the machine, and also troublesome in some of the payment system. So the objective in providing washing and drying services for customers in UPenM blocks. This aims to establish a sustainable business by the end of the first year, to generate net profit, create a good brand for customers and obtain brand loyalty during its operation, and provide the best service to customers at the UPenM. So the scope, we started by user. This system is publicly used by UPenM students that want to use the service. Administrator, which is owner or maintainer, will be given an access to admin site. And second one is software, the database system that keeps an event log of each input and output for the functionality of the application. JavaScript will be utilized in the application that interacts with the user to provide a graphical user interface. And last one is a hardware. Internet. The requirement is internet connection. Android with OS version 7 or higher, iOS with OS version 13 or higher, and a personal computer as a main operator between the system and the software administrator. We start by context level diagram. The spinach system or laundry management system in UPenM is depicted in the diagram below at the context level. The three external parties in the system are the customers, admin, and the token machine. And then data flow diagram. Data flow diagram makes it easy and efficient to comprehend and execute new processes or system. Process, external entity, data flow, and data store are the fundamental symbols used in the data flow diagram. Data flow level 2 diagram. We start by registration process. Both the customer and the administrator can enter the personal information, which after the process is complete, will bring up the home page. Each record database of the system contains information pertaining to their records. And then booking process. The customer will enter the data for their reservation throughout this step. If the admin wants to monitor the bookings that take place, all the booking information will be kept in the database and given to him. And next, maintenance process. The administrator will update data regarding the most recent state of the washing machines and determine whether any need to be shut down for maintenance. The system for the customer will use the information to carry out the process of informing the customer about the current state of the machines when all the information has been sent and stored in the database. And then report process. This procedure is used when a consumer wishes to report a problem with the washing machine or the payment system. This data will be stored in database so that the administrator can notice it and take appropriate action. And next is payment process. The application will direct the user to the payment system after they make a reservation for their washing machine. Once the transaction has been complete, the system will allow the token machine to give the customer the token so they can use it on the machine. The database will contain all of the data, and all payments have been made. The administrator can access information and convert them into the sales. And last one is feedback process. Customers who rate their washing machine usage experience participate in the system. The rating data will be saved and sent to the admin panel so they can enhance the system in response to customer reviews with poor ratings.
For data dictionaries, it is divided into two categories, which are admin access record and customer access record. For admin access record, there are 7 rows, which are admin ID, password, name, phone number, picture, washer availability, and maintenance record. And for the admin access record column, there are 4 columns, which are field name, field size, data type, and descriptions. So for the admin access record, we take name as an example. So for the field size for the name, this is 100 because there are a variety of names, and there can be short or can be long name. So the data type is text because no people have a number as their name. While for the customer's record, there are 9 rows, which are a user ID, password, name, dorm, phone number, picture, booking date and time, washer selection, and payment method. And for the column, there are field names, field size, data type, and descriptions. So for the customer's record, we take here the payment method as an example. The field size for payment method is 1, and the data type is bit. This is because there will be boxes for the customer to choose the payment method selection. Customer just have to tap which one, either QR code, online banking, or cash to pay for their service.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman Fawas bin Muhammad Makhtar. Today I'm going to present to you the project specification and structured decision. Okay, firstly, we construct the structured English. Do while user request to use laundry. If user request to use laundry, then alert admin. If the machine finish operate, then alert user. Else did not notify user. If the machine is not available, then user can book a time slot earlier. If user lost any clothes, then alert admin. And if and do while. That's all for structured English. Okay, secondly, we create the decision table. This decision table is based on the structured English we create before. So for the decision table, we have the condition, rules, action, and action entries. And for the condition, we have user request to use laundry, machine finish operate, machine did not finish operate, machine is not available, and user lost any clothes. Okay, for the rules number 1, we denote as Y for the user request to use laundry, and we denote Y for the machine finish operate. We denote N for the machine did not finish operate, and we denote Y for the machine is not available, and we denote Y for the user lost any clothes. And for the action, we mark right for the alert admin. For the alert user, user can book a time slot earlier, and for the inform admin. Okay, for the rules number 2, we denote Y for users request to use laundry, and we denote N for machine finish operate, and we denote Y for machine did not finish operate. We denote Y for machine is not available, and we denote Y for user lost any clothes. And for the action entries, we mark right for alert admin, we mark right for did not notify user, and we mark right for user can book a time slot earlier, and we mark right for inform admin. Okay, third, we create a decision tree. This decision tree is based on the decision table we created before. For the notes number 1, user request to use washing machine. For the note number 2, user alert admin. And for notes number 3, machine finished operate. And for the notes number 4, alert user. Notes number 5, machine did not finish. And for the notes number 6, did not notify user. For the notes number 7, machine is not available. And for the notes number 8, user can book time slot earlier. And for the notes number 9, user lost any clothes. And for the notes number 10, inform admin. So that is all for the decision tree.
So let's get into the project's design. Firstly, user login page. The official setup of the Spinit user applications is the figure below. The interface would pop up initially when the Spinit system runs on the user's phone. On the screen, the Spinit logo together with a slogan would be displayed. Next, 3 buttons would be shown on the screen too, which the user could click on to go to the next page. The user could click either sign up button to register or login button to log into the app. They could click forget password button in case they have forgotten their login passwords for the safety message here. Secondly, new user sign up page. The admin register page of the Spinit user application, firstly we can see that logo is being displayed on the top of the screen together with the title of this screen, which would be sign up with student ID. Next, 9 text areas can also be seen on the screen with 2 select choice areas. The first area is for the register to their first name following their last name. The second area is email and following with other details with student ID, year, contact number, username, password and confirm password areas to be filled up. The admin should also choose their gender and college of residential. After the user filled in all the empty cells, they should click the button by continuing you agree to the terms and conditions to register into the app. Thirdly, user dashboard page. This user dashboard page, on top of the screen, the user profile is shown. The user's profile picture is displayed with the username, metric number, and email ID. Below the profile is an edit profile button, which user can update their profile details by clicking that button. A table containing the user's booking record information with their activity info will be shown to the admin. Table shows the user's type of machine used, the date and time used with the machine status, ongoing, pending, or completed. There is also timer given for the user to know the remaining time for their laundry to be done. Lastly, at the bottom of the screen in the middle, a logout text will be also displayed in case the admin wants to return to the menu. Next, App Future Bar. The App Future Bar on top left of the screen is the user profile. Next, a search text screen is displayed. Below it, there are 5 buttons displayed. User can click either button, which is functional to them. Users can book a slot, do their payments, buy detergents with softeners for their laundry, give their feedback and ratings on our system, or report an issue. There's also a favorite page where users can select any features as their bookmarks. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Valarmati. Matrix number 2211042. I'll be presenting the graphic user interface of our Spinit Laundry app. Booking slot page. There's a booking text screen and a past booking text screen display on the top middle of the screen. A time limit screen is shown with machine details, date and time used with a timer ongoing for the user. Below, there are 2 categories of laundry machines with time slot. User can choose a time according to their preference based on the time slot given for the washing machine or dryer machine. Next is the payment page. This interface will pop out on the payment page when the Spinit system runs on the user's mobile. In this interface, a QR code payment and online transfer payment text screen is shown. Below the QR code payment text, a valid QR code under the Spinit Laundry bank account is shown for the customer. For customers who prefer to transfer through online payment, there's a bank account number written under Spinit Laundry. Customers must enter their student ID as a payment reference per the interface instruction. At the bottom of the page, user can click an upload here button to enter their payment receipt. Third is the feedback and the rating page. An interface is shown where a Rate Us text screen is shown. User can rate the app by clicking the star-shaped buttons. You can rate us from 1 to 5 star. Below it, a comment text screen is displayed. In the box given, user can give comment on what the management can improve. A submit button is displayed too, where user can click to send their comment. Lastly is the report and issue page. An interface with the title report and issue is displayed with the user profile on the top right of the page. A contact admin text screen is shown with 3 buttons, a message button, a calling button and an email button. User can click any of these buttons to contact the maintenance department directly. Next, a report here text screen is shown. Below it is a text box given where users can write their issues in there. Thank you, that's all from me.
So, as a conclusion, the Spinit laundry management system using an automated laundry machine and our mobile app is really important for independent students, especially those who live in the accommodation block to ensure their comfort. Spinit, with the introduction of online concept, is able to facilitate the access to our students in line with the development of information technology. In addition, Spinit also provides a good environment for students as it it's easy to access. This system also aims to reduce the problem faced by the student who use the existing laundry service. Lastly, our Spinit system is really helpful to all parents and students.